What is arithmetic progression? That is small form of this is AP. When common difference between the term is same, that is known as the arithmetic progression AP series. Suppose here is given 3, 8, 13 up to so. One sequence is given to you. Here first term is known as A. Suppose A 3 is equal to A ना denote कर दें 3. Next, this is first term A1, A2, A3 up to so. Okay बेटा. Second term में से first term minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Third में से second minus 13 में से 8 minus is equal to 5. Suppose here is one more term 18 A4. A4 minus A3 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. You can see here difference between the two terms is same. Means second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third. The difference between these is same 5. Then this sequence represents AP. This sequence represents AP. And that difference, this is noted by D, also known as the common difference. Also known as the common difference. Suppose here is another sequence. Suppose given sequence is 1, 3, 4, 5 up to so. Can you tell this is AP or not? We will check it. Here is first term A2, A3, A4. You can see A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. A3 minus A2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. A4 minus A3 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. You can see here difference between two terms. First two terms is 2. Difference between next two terms is 1. That difference is not same. Therefore, it is not an AP. If common difference is same, then it is AP. If common difference is not same, that is not an AP. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear today? What is AP? First term is noted by A and common difference is noted by D. Next we can see, and AP terms are also noted by first term जैसे A1, A2, A3, A4. You can see here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to so. Is that clear today? Today we will also discuss about the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Nth term is noted by An. This is A plus n minus 1 into B. A is the first term, D is the common difference, and is the number of terms. Suppose here is one question that is given. First question you can see any question that will depend on the nth term. Suppose you can find A13 from the following AP. Suppose AP is given 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Is that clear today? A is 1. D is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A13, A and the formula A plus n minus 1 into B. You can find the A13. A13 means n is 30. A13 means n की क्या value होगी यहाँ 30. You can put all the values is here. A13 is equal to A the value 1 plus n minus 1, 30 minus 1, D is also 1. Then you can solve it. 1 plus 12, that is equal to. So in this series you can see here the 30th term is equal to 30. You can find any term from this sequence. Means you can find A 27, then N is 27. You can use nth term of an AP, use this formula, you can find any term from the given AP. Is that clear to all of you? Any problem to any student? Please tell me. Number 1, suppose in this question, in this table, find the filling the blanks from the following table. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the nth term of an AP. Suppose first part of the table. Here is the table given. A is given. Here is D, N, and A. Okay. You can put first is given 7, 7, 3, 8. Suppose this is first part. You can find A. Okay. Next, second part. Here is given minus 10. This is not given. And this is also 10. This is 0. In these parts, you can see here. In first part, A is given, D is given, N is given. But you can find A, N. And in second part, A is given, N is given, A, N is given, you can find the common difference, D is given. In first part, use the formula of nth term, A n is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, put all the values, A is 7, N is not fine, and 8, A 8, and D is 3. You can solve this. 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, that is 28. Then A8 is equal to 28. Is that clear to all of you today? Now, second part, this is the first part, this is second. Second, use also nth term, A plus N minus 1 into B. You can see here, A is given minus 10. N is given 10. D is given, you can D find out, and AN is given 0. You can solve it. 0 is equal to minus 10 plus 90. Clear today? Is that clear today? This is given 0. AN की value का 0 put कर दी. Next A is given to minus 10. You can put the value of A is minus 10. Plus N is also 10, 10 minus 1 into D you can find it. Solve it. This is 0, this is minus 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 90. Solve it, 10, left side, this is 10 is equal to 90, then D is equal to 10 over 90. Is that clear today? When there are 4 things, 4 terms, A, N, D and A. When 3 terms out of the given, you can find the 4th term in this. Other parts you can solve yourself. आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया बेटा AP में क्या सॉल्व करना है? nth term क्या है AP की? I repeat it again. Nth term of AP that is noted by AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. A is the common difference, N is the number of terms, and A is the first term, N is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. Is that clear? Thank you.